Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this short video here, just want to do a quick update on EFORCE. So especially for those that who attended our Saturday section, we do talk about how you're going to combine Pentagon, 2040s, and NS to enhance your trades. Okay, and XL Force is one of them that forming this out. I think I do show and explain as well on the Saturday section on why it have a very good chance for them to make a follow through, which is today. At the moment when I do this video here, 11 a.m. Okay, they goes up by 6%. Okay, so a few things again. Let me go to make a quick explanation on the background everything. So this is obviously downtrend again for members. If you don't know what is downtrend, either is that you use the trend plotter. Okay, so this is the auto trend line to help you out, or you use the trend 40 to help you out. Now, in this case over here, you will realize that the trend plotter actually is in sideways or slightly a bit downtrending. So when the price cross 2040, and of course it crossed, the main resistance, the first resistance on the top there, it means that there's a higher chance for them to make a reversal and follow through. Okay, which is they did today, and hopefully the volume is increasing. In fact, now they actually come with high volume, so hopefully there are no UT in the end. Okay, so now there is a clear reversal. We do talk about how the green paragraph is going to work in this case, unlike these two. Okay, this two green paragraph doesn't work because it's technically below 2040s. Volume is coming in. Okay, again, VSA will look into volume and how the low volume with NS help us to determine where is the right support. Okay, of course, now it's in already make a follow through. So if you really want to look into the trade, I suggest for especially for our members, look into the hourly chart, look for COC, or maybe look for the pullback. Okay, so of course now at the moment there's lots of stock are having this. Some of them actually are doing a pullback with NS. Some of them are still testing around the NS area. So continue to use the screener. Go for the NS screener. Go back to past 5 days, 10 days ago to look for the similar setup. Okay, so with this, thank you, and I'll see you shortly.